Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Nvidia installation error code 0xe60000. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to settings, then go to Windows Update and make sure your operating system is fully up to date. There is no new updates. Next up, what you need to do here, go on search, look for installed apps. On install apps, you need to press on search apps and write Nvidia. And then delete everything here. So delete them one by one, uninstall, and proceed with steps that app will provide to you. Then open up Task Manager after you do so, after you install everything here, and you need to make sure that there is no Nvidia tasks. Nvidia, as you can see here, for me there is some, so all you need to do here is to end tasks, and then open up browser, and then you just need to re-download Nvidia app, and then re-download and install it again, and now it should work. So that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.